Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2023 Toyota RAV4 TRD. This casting is by Matchbox. I think they released the first one in 2025, if I'm not wrong. This is a different color. I think they released in a silver, or I'm not sure. But this color looks good, has some nice finish to it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the RAV4 out of its box. First thing you will notice is this green paint, which actually looks nice. It's a metallic finish. Looks good. I'm going to move to the front, start from there. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You've got the detailed grille, you've got Toyota badge, painted headlamp, fog lamps. Lower grill is also finished there. It looks nice. You've got both the mirrors, windshield wipers. So good details up front. Looks really good. Somebody actually asked me, I think it was related to Hot Wheels. When you have some main lines which are nicely detailed, what's the point of having pricier silver series or premium one? Well, they all have their own space, but I think Matchbox is doing a great job with these recent casting. They look really good. Now, back to the driver side. On the driver side, you can see some nice details there. Door handle, which are body colored. Wheel arches again, squarish, but painted with the body color. You have the lower part with black plastic kind of trim there. Wheels look nice, finished in black. They look really good with this paint, and I think TRD trim is off-roadish. It's not the off-road, like completely off-road like you get in TRD Pro. It's just a trim with some, off-road kind of accessories added to it. So you also get the roof rail here, again finished in the body color. B pillar and C pillar are part of the glass here, not the die-cast body where you'll see a metal piece. Looks like fuel filler. Interior seems to be finished in black, but the windows are really tinted, so it can either be gray, but I think it's black. Now moving to the back, again nice details here, painted tail lamp, windshield wiper, Toyota badge, RAV4 badge, TRD on the number plate, TRD on the trunk too. And then again you have the lower bumper finished in gray plastic, how you see on the actual car kind of finish. Antenna on the top. Passenger side looks almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler. And if you look closely here, you can see how Matchbox has shown the detail where the fender slightly bulges out. So I like that. Looks nice. And this is how it looks from the top. So two roof rails, obviously sunroof, standard sunroof beads. Looks good. This is how it looks from the bottom. Not a lot of details, but you can still see some details at the engine and the back. So overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting, and I'm glad Matchbox did it, because it's always nice to have a model of the cars you see on the road. It's good to have it because you can then compare it to the actual thing. Well, for a main line, it looks really good, and well, you will actually be happy to add this to your collection. Those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.